Guidance software is known to provide the 360 visibility into your endpoints that gives you that forensic information you need to meet your internal investigation, incident response, cybersecurity, and e-discovery needs. Now today I'm going to talk to you about a specific new feature in our best-of-breed, purpose-built product, EnCase Endpoint Investigator, that is going to help you address one of the biggest problems when it comes to internal investigations. It's called the EnCase Enhanced Agent. So let me explain. With EnCase Endpoint Investigator, you're able to search and collect data from desktops, laptops, servers, and smart devices. And that's going to help you meet all of your internal investigation needs, whether they be HR, compliance, regulatory, IP theft, anything that might require you to search and collect data from your endpoints. So generally how this product works is you create, using the EnCase Endpoint Investigator software, you create search criteria, and you send that to the endpoint, which has the EnCase agent installed. The agent searches the endpoint, collects files that are responsive to it, and sends that back to you. So those files are available for you to complete your investigation. Now, for people that are in the office all the time, this is a perfectly reasonable way to do this collection. But let's talk about the folks that are not in your office all the time. So to illustrate our example, let's talk about Ted. Ted's a salesperson for a remote territory for his company. Now, HR has been informed that Ted may not be following all of the company policies. So what your investigator needs to do is go out and reach out to Ted's laptop and pull back all of the activity from it for the last 90 days, especially anything that was customer facing, any sort of internal customer communications. So as I mentioned, your investigator goes back, creates the criteria, attempts to connect to Ted's laptop, and he makes a connection, sees a collection's happening. But then it stops. The investigator understands, oh, Ted, salesperson, must have disconnected from the network. So before the introduction of the enhanced agent, the investigator would have to spend some more time, maybe even reach out to Ted, alert them to make sure that the laptop stays online, which isn't what you want to do. So what we've introduced is this enhanced agent. So now what the investigator can do is going to go ahead and create that search criteria, but instead it's going to push out this enhanced agent to the endpoint, to Ted's laptop. And even if when Ted disconnects from the network, the enhanced agent is going to search the laptop and collect anything that's responsive. But instead of trying to send it back to the investigator software immediately, it's going to store that information locally. So the next time that Ted connects to the network, then we can collect files, then you can complete that investigation. And let's hope for Ted's sake that he is following all the rules. So we're very excited about the introduction of this new enhanced agent. It's going to solve one of the biggest problems that comes up with internal investigations. So for more information about this product, please visit us at guidancesoftware.com. Thanks.